Hi everyone. So today I'm going to give you a quick tip on searching different files in Windows. Very simple. Go to search bar, kind video. Suppose if you want to search video and current directory and subdirectory, kind image. It will give you all the images. You can also do picture. Okay. You can do document. Okay. So like this you can search. Okay. You also have an option kind. So see, search option here is there. So this will search in all the subfolders, and this will search in only current folder. You can see date modified. You can specify today or how many, when it was modified. Type. These are the types. See picture, video, and document. I have shown you. These are the other options which are available. You can use this option whichever you want to: folder, games, instant message, journal, link, film, movie, music, note. Like this you can search. Size you can specify. It should be greater than 4 GB. Like this you can specify. Okay. Empty. System files should be included. You have option to enable, disable it. Zip file, it will search inside zip file also. File content, it will show. Because this are option of, suppose you are searching something inside a file, so this you can specify change index location. So indexing location you can change. So these are the different options. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.